This video is proudly sponsored by Unique Woodworking LLC.
The T.A.I.A school is awesome. What Harry's doing down there is amazing. He's bridging a gap. You know, whether you're an electrician with experience,
I was interested in taking the prep course for the Philadelphia Master Electrician's Test,
or just looking to get into the field. Not only is he helping you with the theory, but he's giving you real life experiences here. You know, at times I know that he has some of his students in the field. He's just a wealth of knowledge, and he's just pouring it into his students. And so that's how I feel. I feel like he's the guy to go to. His program bridges the gap from what you don't know to what you need to know to hit the ground running. Because you're going to have employers that's going to be that are actually in his class, looking for things that he's teaching and preparing. And so for me, what he's doing is awesome, and he's definitely bridging the gap.
That's proof, baby. Right? Thank you, brother.
So I met Harry through a mutual friend. That mutual friend actually attended the same vocational tech school that I attended. He went for electrical. I was there for carpentry. Years later, call him up. Hey, I needed a good electrician, and because he knew Harry from attending Harry's school, he introduced me to him, and so we pretty much connected from that point. Harry actually installed the CNC. He installed all of my machinery, all of my three-phase power machinery. So I've been in the industry, the cabinet making business, for about 20 years. I started Unique Woodworking, my own company, 3 years ago. I was in Randolph for carpentry. I'm starting in '96, I believe it was. Senior year, it's a select few seniors that could be qualified to go out for co-op. Co-op is just a program that gives you the ability to not only go to school, but to actually work in your field. My field was carpentry. Got a job for a company in high school, and that's basically what got me into this industry. My name is Jason Robinson. I'm the owner of Unique Woodworking here in Philadelphia. We specialize in commercial and residential cabinetry.
Whatever doubt you have in your mind, let it go. And you're confident and you're ambitious and you're gonna make good money. Don't even worry about the money, it's gonna come. I mean, I signed up for the school in September, October, and within 2 months, landed that job in December with Bill Dad's Electrical and Sons. And I've been working full time. He told me, you show up, if you're ambitious, they're gonna snatch you right up. And that's exactly what happened. And I've been working ever since. Matter of fact, I was working today in Haddonfield, New Jersey, and made sure I came over for the event because, anything for Harry, because he changed my life. Me coming to this school really changed my life before I even started doing